Various foods in Italian. Pasta, pasta, sale, salt, vino, wine, carne, meat, pane, bread, aceto, vinegar, burro, butter, pesce, fish, uovo, egg, zucchero, sugar, riso, rice, formaggio, cheese, latte, milk, olio, oil, biscotti, cookies, chocolati, chocolates, frutta, fruits, verdure, vegetables. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for watching.